Discord is a social media app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family. In this video, we will show you how you can connect your Discord to your Xbox account. Xbox is a video gaming brand that was created and is owned by the Microsoft. The brand consists of 5 gaming consoles, games, and streaming services. To connect your Discord account to your Xbox, first open the app by tapping on its icon. You will see the home screen of the app. Tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see the different settings that are related to your account and the app. Tap on Connections. Here, you can tap on Add to add the Xbox account. You will see different accounts that can be connected to your Discord account. Scroll down and tap on Xbox. Tap on Get Started. Now, enter the code that appears on screen or tap on Login with Microsoft. Tap on Continue. You will see this screen. After reading, authorize it and your accounts will now be connected.